You are just a bad baker, Maeve. Accept your big, embarrassing failure. I openly challenge everybody to come and cook right now today, Milla. Let us cook in front of everybody to find the honest truth. This stupid oven is too hot and my cake is burning fast.
Welcome to the great school baking competition today, my young students.
Look at poor Maeve making a very cheap and ugly cake today. My sweet mother gave me this special recipe before she passed away.
Nobody cares about your sad story or your terrible baking skills.
I will put my beautiful chocolate cake right on the front table.
My hands are dirty, so I must go to the washroom now. Maeve is in the washroom, so this is my golden opportunity.
I am taking this large salt shaker to her table right now. I am pouring a giant mountain of white salt over her cake.
Now the poor girl will definitely lose this big baking competition today.
I will now taste the fresh cakes and pick the best winner.
I am back from the washroom and ready for the final judging.
I am taking a large bite of Maeve's beautiful, dark chocolate cake. What did you make? Is it cake or a mountain of salt? This is truly disgusting. I must spit it out right now, Maeve.
That is not possible! My chocolate cake was very tasty and sweet.
Taste it yourself, young lady. This is a complete disaster for you.
Chef Eric is completely right. My cake is full of terrible salt. Who did this? Who did this terrible thing to my sweet cake? You are just a bad baker, Maeve. Accept your big, embarrassing failure. You did this while I was washing my hands in the washroom. I openly challenge everybody to come and cook right now today, Milla. Let us cook in front of everybody to find the honest truth.
Yes, it will be very good. Let us test your real skills. Everyone move to the main school kitchen for the final cooking test.
I am rich and popular, so I will easily beat you, Maeve.
You have exactly 1 hour to bake a perfect new chocolate cake.
I will quickly start mixing the soft flour and sweet brown sugar. I will remember my sweet mother and bake with pure, honest love. Oh no! I dropped my glass bowl and made a terrible mess. This stupid oven is too hot and my cake is burning fast. I am pulling a perfect chocolate cake out of my hot oven.
I will now taste these two completely different cakes right now, today. Milla, your cake is hard and it tastes absolutely terrible right now.
This is so unfair. I hate baking in this stupid, ugly kitchen.
Maeve, I will now take a gentle bite of your warm cake. This is the most delicious dessert I have ever tasted today, Maeve.
Thank you, Chef Eric. I baked it with all my pure heart.
Maeve is the clear winner of this grand baking competition today, everyone.
This is completely unfair. She must have cheated during the final test.
We all watched her bake this perfect cake right here today, Milla. You are the one who ruined her first beautiful cake with salt.
I am so embarrassed that everyone is looking at me with anger.
Maeve, I want to offer you a special cooking scholarship right today.
10 years have passed, and I own the most famous bakery here.
People wait outside in long lines just to buy your wonderful cakes.
One rainy afternoon, a poor woman walked into my bright, warm bakery. It is Milla, wearing dirty clothes and looking very tired right now.
Please, Maeve. I lost all my money, and I am very hungry.
I remember the day when you destroyed my important chocolate cake, Milla.
I am so incredibly sorry for being a cruel bully back then.
I look at my old enemy and feel a gentle, soft pity. Take this warm food and sit near the fire right now, Milla.
I will take this fresh bread and cry with very real gratitude. You are so kind to me after everything I did so wrong.
A bitter heart will never bake a truly sweet cake, poor Milla. I am eating warm food and finally understanding my terrible past mistakes.
You are a great baker and a wonderful person, my dear Maeve.
Hard work and deep kindness always defeat cruel jealousy and bad hate.
The sweet taste of victory belongs to those who never ever quit.
I am so happy that I chose to forgive her mistakes today. I will sweep your bakery floors to easily pay for my food. I have something for you. Thank you. You can work here and learn how to bake with pure love.
This is a beautiful ending for a very talented, young female baker.
Thank you for giving a poor beggar a lovely second chance today. We all deserve a good chance to fix our very bad mistakes.
I am so proud to see such amazing teamwork and pure love.
My sweet mother would be very proud of this beautiful bakery today. I promise to never be cruel or selfish to anyone ever again.